So see chapter coordinate geometry.
Coordinate.
Why is writing like this? This is correct, right? Coordinate geometry. See, just before we have studied linear equation in two variable, right? In that also we have learned about the graph. Learn about the graph. Here also coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Geometry means full basic. It will be some kind of figure. Full basic if you go on the ground level, some kind of figure. Which kind of figure? Coordinate kind of thing. Then what is the coordinate system? What is the coordinate? So coordinate system we have learned before also, but one more time see. X-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis. Then x dash, y dash, x dash. Here this is the positive x, positive. This is negative x. This is positive y. This is negative y. VE. Correct? This whole thing you know, right? This is called the first quadrant. First quadrant. This is second quadrant. This is and this is fourth quadrant. Till here nobody a problem. Next, how to see here the coordinates will be. How to see here the coordinates will be positive or negative. So x is positive, y is positive, and we always write x comma y. We always write x comma y. Correct na? Acha. So here x is also positive and y is also positive. So it will be x comma y. X also positive, y also positive. Here also is write x comma y. X comma y means x is negative. X is y is positive. So here minus x comma plus y. Minus x comma plus y. Correct? Next. Minus x comma plus y. Correct? So this one we have first x comma y. X is what?
Minus.
Negative. Y is what?
Negative.
So x comma minus x comma minus y. Getting this one x comma y. X is what?
Plus.
X is here, man. My hand is here, so it will be here. What is x?
Positive.
X is positive. Y is what? Negative. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So like that we know the quadrant, and this in this one x and y values will be like this.
Sir.
X and y values will be like this. Next thing, like say to represent 2 comma 3. Say to represent 2 comma 3. So 2 comma 3 means which quadrant? First say this is value of x, this is value of y. Value of x, value of which quadrant it will come?
2 comma.
Which quadrant?
First quadrant.
Which kind of fool you people are? First quadrant, right? So in this quadrant we get to know like 2 comma 3 will come in this quadrant. Correct. Then one, two, three, 1, 2, 3. Correct. X value of x is and
2.
value of x is 2. Value of y is 3. So value of x is 2. This one,
Yes, sir.
yes na? And value of y is 3. So we'll draw a straight line. We'll draw a straight line where these two will join. Where these two will.
Join.
You can draw straight line also and dotted line also, doesn't matter. No, sometimes it's matter also. When to draw the straight line, full combined line, or when to draw just dotted line. This also have different meaning. correct? So now I'm trying like this, just 2 comma 3. Getting how to represent this point 2 comma 3. Now if I'm saying minus 2 comma 3,
Second quadrant, sir.
minus 2 comma 3, so minus 2 comma 3 means second quadrant. So 1 2 3, minus 1 minus 2 minus 2, x is equal to minus 2,
Sir.
x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to plus 3. So again bring here and straight line, so this become minus 2 comma 3. Getting? Achha, if I say to represent minus 3 comma 2, minus 3 comma 2,
Second quadrant.
so again which quadrant?
Fourth quadrant.
Minus 3, x is what? Minus, y is plus,
Second
x is minus, y is plus,
Second quadrant.
this quadrant only will come. Yes or no? So minus 3 means it will come here and here, this point, right? Minus 3 comma 2, minus 3 comma 2. Getting how to represent? Acha, if think like both came minus minus, minus 3 minus 2, third quadrant, so minus 3 state here 1 2 1 2, minus minus, so bring here, so this point will be minus 3
Minus 2.
minus 2. Getting how to represent?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Actually in the Karnataka board, one question pakka will come on this, correct? That too of 4 marks, that too of 4 marks. Generally in many papers I have seen, I can't say like it will be 100% pakka, but I have seen in many papers. So just knowing that this where this x and y will come, you will get 4 marks. Getting?
Sir.
Correct na? And this is called the coordinate system only. Like this is the x coordinate, this is y coordinate, x coordinate, y coordinate, correct? So this is called the coordinate system. Now what we have to learn in this topic in this class, in the 10th standard? So in the coordinate geometry, like say one point is here 2 comma 3,
Yes, sir.
one point is here 2 comma 3, and one point is here minus 3 comma minus 2,
Yes, sir.
minus 3 comma, like one point is 2 comma 3 and other point is minus 3 minus 2. These 2 points are given, these 2 points are, and I am saying to find the distance between it. Find the distance means how much is the distance from here to here. Some getting how much is the distance between here to here. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Or question can come, see here is one rectangle, see, if this is joined properly, this is one rectangle,
Yes, sir.
this point, this point, this point and this point. They can say find the area of this, they can say find the area of this, or they will give 3 point, they will give a 3 point, like here 2 point is given, 2 point is given. Wait, I one more point, like think it came like this. Correct? X y x dash y dash. Here think this is 3 comma 0, this is 1 comma 0, minus 1 comma 0, and this is 2 comma 3, something you get the point like this.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Means question they will give point minus 1 comma 0, 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 0 forms a triangle, find the area of it.
Yes, sir.
Getting? Find the
Area of area.
area of it. Getting which kind of question will come in this chapter. Correct? Acha. One more kind of question how it can come, like this is the line 3 comma minus 3 minus 2 and 2 comma 3. Correct? Saying in between one point is there, in between one point is there, so find the coordinate of this point, find the coordinate of this point, like it will come here and here, so this point is how much, find the coordinate of this point. Correct? They will give this line dividing into ratio m is to n, m is to n, k is to 1, whatever want they can give. Getting? Yes or no? So which all kind of question will come in this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And I am saying pakka 4 to 8 marks pakka will come from here. Very easy chapter. Very means very easy. Correct. Now last 3 chapter what I done, and this chapter. Next will be the construction. So these all chapters are easiest chapter. From there you can score the marks. Easiest means easiest. If you read this all chapter, aram se you can get good marks. Getting?
So,
Chalo, copy it then. Next, write distance between 2 points. Distance between
Yes, points.
distance between 2 points, or this is only called distance formula. This is only called distance formula. Both is same only. Both is same only. Now see, this is the coordinate system. X axis, y axis, coordinate system. You know, right? This. Acha. One point and some other point is given. 2 point is given. Think this name is P, this name is Q. P and Q. Think this point coordinate is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. x2, y2. Acha. Now, how I told to take the coordinate? Means join through x axis, join through y axis. So join here and join here. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Get different color marker. This one also. Join here and join here. Getting or not? So, like this coordinate, we have joined on x axis and y axis, and we should find the distance of between P to Q. Distance between P to Q. Getting now, we should find the distance between P to Q. Now, see, distance between here to here. This is 0, 0.
Yes, sir.
This is 0, 0. Before also I told, if one point is given here 2, 3, like last one I have told, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
X axis, y axis, and if you join like this and like this, so this point will be 2, 3. So we have counted 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
Or yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, then it will be wrong. Make 3, 2. Now okay, right? 3, 2, 3. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. X is equal to 3, y is equal to, and this is 1, 2. 1, 2. Means from here to here is 3 unit.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? From here to here is 3 unit. 3 unit is equal to x.
Yes, sir.
Means here x is equal to 3, and here to here y is equal to 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You getting how I am taking x and y value? So same like that, can I say here to here distance is x1?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And here to here distance is y1. True? Distance is x1, distance is y1. Acha. Same thing we think for this coordinate. Means from here to here it should be straight line. Correct? So what is x coordinate is x2? X coordinate is, so from here to here will be x2.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Acha. Now from here to here,
Y2.
how a straight line I am drawing? Here to here is y2. Yes or no? So all coordinates we have written. Acha. Now simply join this also. Join
Yes, sir.
this. Getting na? Acha. If we join, then we should find the value from here to here. We have joined this, so we should find the value of here to here. You can give the name anything, doesn't matter for us. So now this total is x2. Total is,
X2.
and this is x1. So from this one, shall I remove this? Is that, will I get this? Yes or no? From this full, I am removing this. So I will get this part.
Yes, sir.
Means this is x2 minus x1.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. 2 minus 6.
And we need to find this distance. We need why my line are this much straight, man? Right? Still curve only, okay. Then I don't know. So see, from here to here is y1 and this one is y2. So this much distance how much? y2 minus y1.
Yes, sir.
y2 minus
Y1.
so y2 minus
Y1.
y1. True? Yes or no?
Sir.
Acha. This all things we draw on the graph paper actually. Yes or no? So graph paper, all line will straight. Correct? Means this is also straight, this is also straight. Means is this making 90 degree? Or is this one making 90 degree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acha. So if this is 90 degree, this is P, right?
Yes, sir.
Assume this is R. Means PQR is the right angle triangle.
Yes, sir.
PQR is the right angle triangle. PQR is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Angle you can write like this. Right angle triangle means this is your base, this is perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse. Yes or no? Means we can write PQ square hypotenuse square is equal to PR square plus RQ square or QR square. Yes or no? Or yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We know perpendicular square, sorry, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square.
Yes, sir.
That thing only written. Achha. Now just put the value. PQ square is PQ only. We don't know the value. Yes, na? PR. PR is how much? X2 minus X1. PR is how much?
X2 minus
X2 minus, sir, right? X2 minus X1 whole square.
Yes, sir.
Yes, na? And RQ. RQ how much? Y2 minus Y1. Y2 minus plus Y2 minus Y1 square. Yes, na? Now, if I remove the square from here, this side will convert to root. So,
Root. Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
So, if you need to find the value of a PQ, simply put the value of the coordinate x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, take a square, take root, you will get the answer. And this is only your distance formula. Getting? And see, actually this proof is given in your NCERT, correct? But nobody asked the proof. Correct, and it's not at all difficult also. Yes or no? So you get to know how to do. Now I'm showing one example. See, so take one example. Like 2 points, what you taken before point? 3, 2 and something, right? Yes or no?
Sir.
I'm taking 3, 2 and 4, 3. Something 2 point I have taken. Correct? Yes, 2 points is given, 3, 2 and 4, 3. Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
So 2 points are given and saying to find the distance between it. Acha. Now simply draw it. Simply know it to do on the full graph, and it should not be full proper. Correct? Just it should okay. Getting na? So I am writing one point 3, 2 and this is 4, 3. Correct na? Join this. And we need to find the distance between PQ. This is P, this is Q. Correct na? So before solving, mark the points. Means write this is x1, y1, x2,
Y2.
y2. Correct na? Now what is the formula? PQ is equal to root over x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. This is our formula. Yes or no? Now x2 is how much? Say x2. And x2 is how much? Why nobody is speaking then? All are busy in copying. 4 minus x1 is 3. Correct. Y2 is how much? 3 minus y1 is how much? 2. Written a square. Yes na? Then do root. Means here also 1 square and here also 1 square. Correct na? So 1 square is 1 only. 1 square is 1 only. Means 1 plus 1 is 2. Or 1 plus 1 is 2. So PQ is equal to root 2 unit. Root 2 unit. Getting how to do? Easy or not?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Easy, sir.
According to your question, same, and what is the question? What are the points? What are the points given? Past.
Sir, 1/1, 4,
Like
4 comma
3.
between these 2 points, right? We should find the distance between.
these 2 points.
Think this is P and this is
Q.
Q. Correct. And don't think everywhere it's given PQ. PQ is just the name. Don't think like here, sir, L and M is given, then how I should find. Getting just name, it can be anything. Correct na? So right here, PQ is equal to x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 square and square. Correct na? Here mark it x1, y1, x2, y2. Without marking, don't do. Correct. Better you should mark only first. If you not mark, 100% you will do wrong. At least for the first 10-20 question you mark it. Correct. Acha. Now, so what is x2? 4 minus 1 square plus y2 is 3 minus 6 square. That to root. Right now? So 4 minus 3, 1 is 3 square plus 3 minus 6 is minus 3 square. Minus 3 square. Now 3 square is 9. 3 square is 9 plus minus 3 square is how much?
Minus 9.
Again plus 9 only. How means what? Minus a square. Minus a square or minus to the power any even always gives positive only. Always gives a positive, and minus to the power odd always gives a negative. Correct. If you want to go in more basic in this, minus to the power 2 I have written. Minus to the power means minus into minus.
Yes.
This only, then what I was asking how in the 10th standard. Next, if I say minus to the power 3 means minus into minus into minus. 3 times minus. Right?
Yes.
Means minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. Correct. So if minus to the power of square came, 100% it will be plus only. It will be plus only. So 9 plus 9 is root over 18. Root over 18. If you get answer like this, break it. Break it means split it. Means how can I write? 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3 into 3 means this become one couple. This become one couple. So I can say 3 root 2 unit. So this is the distance between these 2 points. Getting?
Sir.
Yes or no? Copy it.
Kanina yung kanto.